Hey guys, it's Stephanie here from Hickorycroft Farm. I'm out for my morning walk with the goats. I don't know if we can get them in there. There they are. They're out eating weeds, parsnip, all the good stuff. And I thought I would just share a little bit of it with you. It is end of July, hard to believe, and we are behind the story of life at a farm, or at least at our farm. We have a list probably a mile long, and there's only so many hours in the day to do things. But that is one of the usual trials and tribulations of farm life. We moved from a 7-acre farm, which we definitely did not have set up yet, even then. And to move to 38 acres the list has grown. And the year has not cooperated to the best of its ability for weather and things like that. We need to do fencing, as you can see here. And just turn you around. There we go. I go like that. You can see kind of the back pasture here, which is a lot of parsnip and apple trees. We have some major fencing to do. It has been on the list for, oh boy, months. Every time we think we've hit the time to do it, I'm gonna get in the sun, something comes up. Tractor breaks, weather's too hot. We even have the product. We have rolls and rolls of fencing wire and posts. Many of the posts need peeling. Maybe we'll go and do a video one day on that. Just our method of peeling posts. It's very barbaric. But we've been working on it. It is just my morning thoughts. It is what I come back here and start listing off all the numerous things. Is it worth it? Definitely. Definitely. Is it challenging? Also definitely. I think it's probably at least once or twice a month. Chris and I have a meltdown and talk about getting rid of something, getting rid of everything, changing, you know. But we always come full circle. And we come back to, this is what we want to do. This is why we do it. And it works for us. It works for our family. Where's my goats? They're still behaving. Sort of, trying. I look around this video and I go, see, I need to take down that electric fence. That's what the horses used to be back here. And then the parsnip came up and they didn't like it. So Chris is going to put the brush cutter on the tractor and we're going to cut it down before it does go to seed. The plan was to have this fenced. The goats, the sheep, they both eat the parsnip when it's younger. But now that it's up at this height, we're finding they do pick the greens off of it, but it's still going to go to seed. So we got to get her chopped down. See, on the list, will it happen? Not so sure. But anyways, I figured I would just start this little morning segment and we'll see how it goes. I'd like to keep up with sharing my morning thoughts with you guys. Anyways, until next time, have a great day.